Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with keeping your gums healthy or felt that traditional floss just doesn't cut it, you're going to want to pay attention today. Before we get into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a tip that could change your beauty and wellness routine. We're looking at the Waterpik Pro JT-100E Replacement Ultra Jet Tips, model JT-100E. These are replacement tips designed for the Waterpik WP-100 Ultra Family Dental Water Jet, aiming to enhance your oral care by targeting plaque and improving gum health, something most of us overlook but is so crucial for a radiant smile. Each pack comes with 2 color-coded tips to keep your family's dental routine organized and hygienic. When I first started using these, I was curious how much of a difference they would make compared to my regular flossing routine. Swapping out the old tips is quick and intuitive. The color coding makes it impossible to mix up between family members. Using the tips felt precise, with a strong but controlled water stream that reaches areas brushing alone can miss. Over a week of daily use, I noticed a cleaner, fresher feel along the gum line and significantly less bleeding during brushing. A subtle but meaningful change for overall gum health. One of the things I really like is the simplicity of the replacement system. There's no guesswork in installation, and the tips are compatible with the WP-100 Ultra Family unit. On the flip side, if you have a very sensitive gum line, the pressure might feel a little strong at first, so I'd recommend starting on the lowest setting and gradually increasing as your gums adjust. Pros definitely include improved gum health compared to traditional flossing, ease of swapping tips, and hygienic color coding. Cons? It's a minor point, but having only 2 tips means frequent replacement for multiple family members, and some may find the water pressure a bit intense initially. Value-wise, these replacement tips are fairly priced, considering they significantly enhance the performance of your Waterpik unit. Oral health is not something to cut corners on, and the effectiveness here justifies the investment, especially if you or your family struggle with flossing consistency. Compared to other brands, the JT-100E tips are sturdy, reliable, and last long enough to make the cost worthwhile. I have to pause here to ask, if you're finding this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty and wellness lovers can find this video too. Your support allows us to keep making honest, thorough reviews like this. And if you're itching to grab a set for yourself, the link is in the comments. The build quality of the tips is solid, made from durable plastic that doesn't easily wear down, even with daily use. They snap securely into the Waterpik unit without leaking, which is always a plus. Over time, you can expect consistent performance as long as they're replaced according to the recommended schedule. If you're looking for alternatives, some third-party water flosser tips are available at a slightly lower price, but I've found they sometimes compromise on fit or durability. For the best results and peace of mind, sticking with the JT-100E tips is a safer choice. In the end, the Waterpik Pro JT-100E Replacement Ultra Jet Tips deliver exactly what they promise: precise, hygienic, and effective gum care. They're perfect for families who want to maintain oral health easily and efficiently. If your priority is a cleaner, healthier smile with minimal hassle, these tips are a solid investment. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. Remember, the link to grab your own replacement tips is in the comments or description box. If you've already tried them, drop a comment below and share your experience. I love hearing from you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.